Some specific holistic products. Chapter 1. Some specific natural products for sale. Aromatherapy products for sale. Alliance of International Aromatherapists. ALLIANCE-AROMATHERAPISTS.org. National Association for Holistic Aromatherapy. 888 Ask Naha. naha.org. aromaessentials.com. aromaweb.com. aromaworld.com. 800-738-8678. oracacia.com. beautybytova.com. 800-852-9999. bluepearlworld.com. esexualarousal.com. flowersenses.com. 800-343-8693. flowervr.com. 800-298-4434. marilyn-miglin.com. 800-662-2871. purearomatherapy.com. stax-of-wax.com. thebodyshop.com. 800-263-9746. aromaworld.com. 800-738-8678. frontierherb.com. 800-786-1388. heliosoils.com. 888-327-9954. scentchips.com. 800-472-3687. sfherb.com. 800-227-4530. Ayurveda products for sale. Ayurvedic is the East Indian art of holistic medicine. The Ayurveda Experience. The AyurvedaExperience.com. Banyan Botanicals. banyanbotanicals.com. ayurveda.com. store.ayurveda.com. planetaayurveda.com. patanjaliayurveda.net. patanjaliayurvedus.com. iherb.com/c/ayurveda. ayurvedamegastore.com. Shankara Naturals. shankara.com. Colloidal silver info. Colloidal silver is a colloid of silver particles in water. It has some antimicrobial properties. The claim is that it acts as an antibiotic to kill bacteria. A proponent in this field is probably Dr. Bob Beck, who claims that CS can cure a number of ailments from the cold and flu to lupus, AIDS, and cancer. There is no consensus on how it works or even what it does. It's a theory with little or no supporting scientific evidence. People used to put silver dollars in their milk and wells to ward off spoilage and illness. The theory is that silver in a colloidal state eliminates virtually all known pathogens, viruses, fungi, bacteria, protozoa, and yeasts by muckling onto them, then eliminating them through human waste while not attacking good bacteria in the intestinal tract. Silver is referred to as a transition metal in chemical literature, along with copper and gold. They are metals that are heavier than the life-giving light metals, such as sodium, calcium, and potassium, yet lighter than the toxic heavy metals such as lead, arsenic, and mercury. The transition metals are known for their catalytic properties. Finely powdered silver is a very good oxidizing catalyst. Starting with atomic or ionic silver, the catalytic effect increases with particle size until it reaches a peak at some value, then drops off to a much lower level when the particles approach the wavelength of light. Up to a certain size, these fine silver particles in the body will attract bacteria and viruses, connect to them, oxidize, therefore nullify them, then they'll be removed as waste. Silver will usually give a much faster kill than an antibiotic. The downside of this is that the high and rapid kill rate can result in Herxheimer's reaction or healing crisis. The body simply does not have time to eliminate the huge amount of toxins and dead pathogens that can result from silver water, so you feel sick for a while. Use small amounts initially and work up to therapeutic dosages in a couple of days. This allows the kill rate to be maintained where the body can eliminate the dead pathogens and toxins without undue stress. Drinking large amounts of liquids can help flush the toxins and should be encouraged. Several publications indicate that for absorption through the stomach wall, Particles must be 0.015 micron, 15 nm, or smaller. Colloidal silver can be found in most health stores in a nasal spray applicator. The tiny, ppm equals parts per million, particles of silver attach themselves to bacteria and kill them. Silver is a heavy metal and can accumulate in the body causing harm, so it is used only when a sinus problem shows up. They sell generators which enable you to make your own colloidal silver. The FDA has declared that all over-the-counter drug products containing colloidal silver or silver salts are not recognized as safe and effective. fda.gov/bbs/topics/answers/ans00971.html fda.gov/drugs/historical-odc-rulemaking/rulemaking-history-odc-colloidal-silver-drug-product educate-yourself.org/cs, colloidal silver. advanced-colloidal-silver.com. all-natural.com. colloidal-silver.com. colloidal-silver.biz. colloidal-silver.ca. colloidal-silver.co.za. colloidal-silver.com. colloidal-silver.com, nasal spray. colloidal-silver.com.au, Australian colloidal silver generators. colloidal-silver-co.com. colloidal-silver-colloids.com, product for sale. colloidal-silvergens.com. colloidal-silverresearch.com/kilotin.htm. colloidal-silversupplies.co.uk. earthborneproducts.com/colloidal-silver.htm. silver-colloids.com. silvercures.com. silvergen.com. silvermedicine.org. herbal teas/health teas/green teas. Virtually everything I've read from many diverse sources all agree that green tea/herbal tea is great for the health for a number of reasons. I've seen it touted as a cancer preventive to a blood purifier to strengthening the immune system and even losing weight. It tastes bland. Most tea is black tea, which is produced by a process which oxidizes the green leaf. This process destroys most of an important class of chemicals called green tea polyphenols, GTP. Green tea doesn't go through this oxidation process. Green tea contains alkaloids including caffeine, theobromine, and theophylline, which stimulate the body and mind. Green tea is great for the brain too. Green tea antioxidants are polyphenols, chief of which are the flavonoids called proanthocyanidins. Green tea prevents tumors from developing the blood vessels they need to survive. It regulates blood sugar and reduces fat in the blood. Oolong tea is partially oxidized green tea. It contains about 20 to 30% of the GTP concentration of green tea. Green and black teas are sometimes mixed together. There are green tea extract capsules on the market. All tea contains oxalates that may cause kidney stones, so don't overdrink it. Many people use herbal teas as diet aids, however, teas that contain sema, rhubarb, aloe, buckhorn, castor oil, and other plant-derived laxatives can cause diarrhea, vomiting, nausea, dehydration, fainting, and even death in extreme cases. Do not drink too much of these teas. Beware of other dietary herbal supplements too. They're mostly all laxatives and simply cause a temporary weight loss of water as opposed to real calories, because they work on the colon as opposed to the small intestine where calories are absorbed. Read the labels for the directions. National Center for Complementary and Integrative Health. nccih.nih.gov/health/green-tea. africanredtea.com. amazinggreentea.com. basictea.com. butylleaf.com. benefitsofgreentea.info. bigelowtea.com. botanical.com. byherbalteas.com. buy-tea-online.com. celestialseasonings.com. essiac-herbal-remedies.com. greentea.com. greenteahealthnews.com. herbaltea.co.nz. herbaltea.in. herbal-tea.org. herbalteas.com. houseofherbalteas.com. olivetier.com. rishi-tea.com, 866 Rishi Tea. sabaidi.net, Tea Company, some articles. sassafrasti.com. tea-for-me.com. teaorders.com. tea-revelations.com/herbal-tea.html. theherbalteashop.com. thetea.com.